What is our dinosaur missing?
It's missing foot.
This young man loves dinosaurs.
All right, let's put the eyes right here.
Welcome to a new way of getting our kids to recenter their emotions.
Nice.
An idea that's working
And let's put it right here.
and spreading.
Well done, Gigi.
So we will be doing another persuasive piece today.
When our feelings get the best of us in school, it is good to have a place where you can channel and work through how you're feeling. That's why Theoline McCoy Primary School in Bodden Town has its own sensory room.
Our sensory room is designed as a special space where our students can access tangible supports or resources that will help them to effectively self-manage and regulate throughout the day.
As we all know, life is full of stress, external and internal, and this school uses a framework to help students learn how to manage that stress.
Our school does use the zones of regulations. We are very, very active users of the zones of regulation, and basically that is a way to conceptualize emotions. So in all of our classrooms, you will find that there are zones visuals, zones posters that really look at how kids can express themselves using that color-coded concept to describe their emotions, but to also understand what strategies or resources they can use in order to regulate themselves when they are not in the green zone or the zone where we are most calm or regulated.
But there is only one sensory room at Theoline McCoy Primary School, and many students who would love to use it. That's why each classroom has been equipped with its own calm-down kits and fidget boxes. It's a scaled-down version of the types of items in the sensory room. In Arlene Simpson's Year 6 class, it's called the Wellness Corner.
The Wellness Corner is a place where you can come to find where you are in your emotions and how you're feeling at the time. It can help you feel better when you're not in the emotion that you want to be in.
While some of them can control this emotion, not all of them can. And even as adults, there are many of us who are not able to do that. So with this in mind, we have created what is called the Wellness Corner.
The yellow zone is if you are like silly, frustrated, or sometimes you lose some control. But the green zone is if you are happy, calm, ready to learn, focused, all that good stuff.
There's the affirmation wall that is over there. It is like showing, like right there is our little affirmation. So if you're not right in the zone of like school, you can go to over there and read them to give yourself reassurance and motivate you for the day.
Success strategies that we all could take advantage of.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Happy, okay.
Congratulations to Theoline McCoy Primary School for stepping up to provide the support our students need to be as successful as possible.